certain traits that women absolutely love in you, and then there are men who would always complain that women don't come close to me, women don't talk to me, women are a waste of time, and they don't give importance because the kind of men that they give importance to are rich and they're good looking and they have the style and etc etc. Here's the thing, guys, let's work on certain traits that women find absolutely irresistible, okay? And all of you have it. It's just that nobody has told you how to work on it. You have not tabbed on it in the right way. So let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm Neeti and welcome to my channel. Well, I'm all here supporting all you men and boys out there. I am your go-to girl with every week bringing you absolutely no BS insider information about women, what they say, what they think from their point of view. Let's talk about high self-esteem in detail and listen to me very, very carefully. Okay, so for example, if you have high self-esteem or low self-esteem, it depends a lot on that, how long and how far your relationship is actually going to last. And secondly, let me give you this example. If you live in an apartment or independent home, every month you pay a certain amount as a maintenance fee, right? Because you want to take care of your home. Now, the same way, the maintenance of your relationship really depends on how is your self-esteem. So that is how I'm going to explain you step by step. See, I'll tell you something. So if a person has a low self-esteem, that also affects his selection process. Now that could be in terms of the kind of girl or the partner you're choosing. It could also be your friends in general. Your low self-esteem also, affects your ability to communicate with people in general. It could be anywhere, your family, your work, your friends, your partner, girlfriends, anybody, all right? And even strangers for that matter. And low self-esteem also plays a massive role in resolving conflicts. For example, if a person has low self-esteem, the way they are going to approach a conflict or resolve the conflict, or in fact, be on a solution mode and so that, they can save the relationship. There are a lot of times you see these girls who are, very friendly with you in the beginning and then all of a sudden, they'll disappear or, there's going to be silence in the friendship or relationship and you'll keep wondering that what exactly happened. Low self-esteem people really don't know how to approach a relationship and there is no balance as well. So what tends to happen is that if there is a conflict, or a misunderstanding, they are the last people to sort of resolve it because they don't know how to approach the entire situation. And that is why most of you guys have this complaint that, there was a girl and I liked her. Everything was fine. Then all of a sudden some misunderstanding happened and all of it, she's just started to back out and she's very quiet now. And there's just silence in the relationship. So that is what I'm trying to tell you. Now, I'm just going to tell you in a brief line that there is a difference between confidence and low self-esteem. Let's put it this way. It is the ability to complete a work with surety. I'm confident that, I can go on stage and speak. I'm confident that I can sit and listen to you and counsel you and give you a great advice. I'm confident that I bake great cakes, because I can complete that work with surety. Now, what is low self-esteem? Low self-esteem is when for example, what you accept and expect from people. अब इसे थोड़ा सा decode करते हैं. Let's decode it. Accepting something like an abusive partner in a relationship. A girl can be abusive, in terms of her language or the way she is behaving, but you still want to stick around because you can't get over her. Or low self-esteem is also expecting something from the person in that relationship, expecting, for example, your partner, that girl, you expect neglection from her. आपको पता है कि वो आपको ignore करेगी, neglect कर रही है, ज़्यादा पूछती नहीं है, but you still want to stick around knowing that she is going to neglect you. You are expecting that she's going to neglect you, but it's okay. You can't get over her. So low self-esteem is when you accept and expect from others. So this is a very, very big difference between confidence and low self-esteem. And normally people, we don't tend to realize this and we keep working on our confidence, which is not the case. I mean, आप सामने वाले से क्या एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं अपनी रिलेशनशिप में, वो क्या आपको दे रहा है. एक्सेप्टिंग और फिर expectations, your expectations are so low because you have low self-esteem, in the sense that वो no matter how much or no matter how she treats you, you would still stick around. Okay, so there's a huge difference. So how exactly are you making your life a little healthy, in fact your mindset a little healthy, and your self-esteem a little healthy? By setting boundaries. There are a lot of men who would know that these are my boundaries that I need to make clear to a woman or to my family or to my friends, and uske baad bhi I will continue to do things for others. Then you have a healthy self-esteem. जहां पे अगर आपको पता है कि रिलेशनशिप की डायनामिक्स क्या होती हैं, if you understand the basis of a relationship, which is that when you take something emotionally from someone, you give back also. That is your responsibility, right? So those are the basic dynamics of a relationship. लेकिन अपनी बाउंड्रीज को दिमाग में रखकर, that is extremely important. What happens in today's day and age, the modern dating scene where a lot of men are single, is only because women who you're getting to know, वो एक्सपेक्ट करती हैं कि you would pay for everything. So they're taking from you all the time. When you start dating women, they are again taking from you all the time, whether it's your lunches, dinners, gifts, etc. Whenever they're going out, they want you to, buy them something. बहुत subtle way में. If you are in a relationship, तब तो, the woman has already taken you for granted that you will only give, and she will take. So most of the men in today's day and age are single. But listen, there are a lot of you there, and I'm telling you, this video is very open, honest and candid. Is only because there are certain things I want you to understand. Please, आपको अपनी boundary set करके रखनी है, and उसके बाद if you're trying to do something for that particular person, or it could be someone in family or friends or work colleagues, then it shows that आपकी low self-esteem नहीं है. You have a healthy self-esteem. So I hope I have made it clear in these many words, the difference between low self-esteem and confidence, and how you can have a healthy self-esteem. But there are a lot of other things that would make you absolutely irresistible. Now, our part 2 is all going to be about कि हमारी low self-esteem, where does it come from? वो कहाँ से आती है? In boys and men, it comes from parents who are unloving. या वो inconsistent हो सकते हैं, कभी ज़्यादा गुस्सा हो गया, एकदम से ज़्यादा प्यार कर लिया. So the child gets confused कि ये हो क्या रहा है? Okay, some parents who are neglecting a lot. It could be because of, their financial situation, that they're not able to give you time. Yeah, generally, they have just neglected you. So unloving hai, inconsistent hai, neglecting hai, cold parents who have nothing to do with you in your growing up years, because they're just so busy in what they're doing. उनको strike ही नहीं करता कि there is a maternal side or a paternal side to them, the emotional side of a parent, and that is not your fault. And then when it comes to, let's say, low self-esteem आती है जब academically, if you've not done very well in school, or let's say that अगर आपको bully किया गया है by your peers, your friends in school, or let's say that your parents have given a lot of attention to your siblings, आपके भाई को या बहन को ज़्यादा attention, ज़्यादा प्यार मिला है, उससे आप में low self-esteem आती है. So please sit down today or tomorrow, whenever you get time. I really want you to start thinking all these things. Close your eyes, rewind the time, वापस जाइए, सोचिए. कभी कभी होगा कि मैं ब्लैंक हूँ, मुझे कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, आई थिंक इट्स अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, बट नो, मेक एन एफर्ट, बिकॉज ये जो पैटर्न है इसको ब्रेक करना, इट इज़ एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट. आज का वीडियो इज ऑल अबाउट बीइंग इररेसिस्टिबल एंड हाउ कैन यू बी एब्सोल्युटली स्टनिंग एंड इररेसिस्टिबल पर्सनैलिटी वाइज, और you can definitely reach out to me on my Instagram account as well. So what happens is that in your formative years, ये core belief एक बन के रह जाता है अपने school years में आपके कि you know what, nobody loves me. I am not attractive and nobody cares for me. I'm stupid. I'm not smart. And people who I love, they always leave me. These are all signs that you have low self-esteem. And today's video is really honest, and I'm going to tell all you guys out there जो ये मैसेज करते हैं ये कह के कि गर्ल्स आर नॉट अट्रैक्टेड टू रेगुलर मेन लाइक अस, दे ओनली गो फॉर गुड लुकिंग एंड हॉट लुकिंग गाइज एंड सक्सेसफुल गाइज एंड गाइज हु हैव अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. वेल, हियर्स द थिंग, look at yourself. you are being a simp. You're the one who has low self-esteem, and you will not like to hear this coming from a woman like me, that you know what, who are you to tell me something like this, like I have a personality flaw. मुझे पता है ये सुनने में अच्छा नहीं लगता है अगर सामने वाला आपसे कहे कि आप में कोई personality trait है जो impressive नहीं है, जिस पे आप काम कर सकते हैं. But you know what? I'm not here for you to love me. I am here as that friend. I am here as that devil's advocate. जो हमेशा आपको वो बातें मैं आपको बताऊंगी जो बाकी शायद आपको really कोई नहीं बताएगा. Nobody else has the time to really sit down with you and tell you honestly. So please, my request is that sit down, think about these things, and how can you overcome the damage that lowest self-esteem does to your personality. See, I'll tell you what, अब value system पे अगर आते हैं, क्योंकि अगर आपको self esteem, low self esteem से अगर fight करना है, you want to undo the damage that has already been caused in your personality. So let's understand कि आप अपने value system को खुद कैसे देखते हैं. एक तो होता है internal values और एक होता है external values, intrinsic, extrinsic. अब intrinsic values क्या होती हैं? Something which has nothing to do with the world or with anybody else. So these are values which are like very true to you. जैसे कि you are kind, you're sharing, you're loving, caring हैं आप, या most importantly जो आजकल के modern dating scene में it is so required और ये किसी में नहीं होता है, authentic होना, honest होना, truthful होना. You know, these kind of things. These are all intrinsic values. ये आपके अंदर रहती हैं personality में, they are a part of it, okay? अब आप कहेंगे कि अगर मुझे ये सब बनना है, which means I'm trying to be a nice boy, and girls don't like nice men, girls just like bad boys. Firstly, this term of a nice boy and a bad boy, you know, I mean, this today, day and age dating scene has really fucked it up, okay? Let me just put it very plain and simple. तो यहाँ पे let me tell you something, even bad boys, they have some amount of self-esteem, if not very healthy self-esteem. And yes, you know, they are at least authentic and truthful in the way they are, in the way they're approaching girls. उनको पता है वो ऐसे ही हैं, and इसी वजह से girls की भी expectations फिर वैसे ही होती हैं, knowing that that's a bad boy. Okay, but if you know who bad boys are या उनकी क्या traits होती हैं, that's a completely different video that I'm going to do some other time. Coming back to low self-esteem, internal values को आप अपने कैसे देखते हैं, अपने लिए ही कैसे देखते हैं? When you start and constantly comparing, you know, कि I don't know how to talk to girls, I don't have the confidence, and girls are a waste of time. Look at your value system. आप अपने साथ कितने authentic हैं, कितने honest हैं, कितने truthful हैं? You have to ask yourself, be honest with yourself only. बाकी you don't have to talk to anybody, you don't have to listen to anybody, you're not answerable to anybody. अपने से तो answerable है ना? तो अपनी वैल्यू सिस्टम को आप कैसे देखते हैं? मूविंग ऑन कि अब एक्सट्रिंसिक वैल्यू, एक्सटर्नल वैल्यूज क्या होती हैं? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग दैट इज टू डू विद द वर्ल्ड एंड विद अदर्स, जैसे कि मटीरियलिस्टिक होना. ऑलराइट, एंड टुडेज डेटिंग सिनारियो में यही होता है, एंड दिस इज व्हाई बॉयज मोस्टली प्रेफर टू बी सिंगल, बिकॉज इतना ज्यादा आप पे प्रेशर है. एंड देन देयर आर लॉट ऑफ गाइज आउट देयर हु आर कंप्लीट सिम्प्स, जिनमें यू नो लो सेल्फ एस्टीम ऐसे भरा हुआ है कि उनको बाकियों की सारी बातें, एवरीथिंग दैट anybody else has to help them or say, they find it as if no, I'm not going to do any of these things because this is not how it works, and this is not how girls are going to get impressed. And they only and only base their value system on ki I need to be successful, I need to have a lot of money, I need to be good looking, and I need validation from others, and how others are looking at me. Are others going to approve of this particular thing if I do, if I wear, if I say, if I walk, if I talk? Those are all your extrinsic values, and unfortunately आप अपनी external values को इतनी ज़्यादा importance देते हैं कि आपकी internal values कहीं पे दब जाती हैं. They are completely suppressed and you are just not bothered. So moving on to the second part, which is called self-control. So the other side of self-esteem is self-control. Okay, और मैं इस phase से गुजर चुकी हूँ. I have been through that, and I tell you, if your self-control is all over the place, your self-esteem really hits rock bottom. You know, right from, let's say, this instant gratification in today's day and age, what we tend to do is, Jim, I'm too tired, forget it. Reading a book and sleeping, I can't read a book. No, I'm going to watch Netflix for some time on my phone or maybe laptop or TV. Food, no, yeah, I can't control sugar. Today I have a craving for cake and I'm definitely going to have a cake or a pizza or a burger. And eventually, when you start ordering all these kind of junk food on a daily basis because you're so busy at work and you don't have time, what are you doing? This is all instant gratification where self-control has gone for a toss completely. So what tends to happen is that your self-esteem, gone. Self-love, gone. Self-care, gone. And then, ulta aap palat ke kya kehte hain? You turn around and you start complaining about everything. So let me tell you about a marshmallow test. Sunenge? So what is this marshmallow test? Okay, so you know what? This happened a couple of years back and there were kids who were given marshmallows. And these kids were also told that if you wait, you will get one more marshmallow. So there were a lot of kids who could not wait because it is so yummy marshmallow, they ate it. Now the ones who waited because they would get one more marshmallow, those were the kind of kids who were seen कि वो ज़्यादा smart हैं, वो ज़्यादा intelligent हैं, they're doing academically really well, they have good social skills, communication skills, they are popular amongst other friends and kids, they're taking care of their friends and kids also. Overall, basically a good, healthy quality of life. So do you understand now, when there is control, you tend to do the right things because एक बारी जब आप वो जिम जाते हैं ना, एक बारी जब आप वो केक को skip करते हैं, what tends to happen is that if you actually control अपने जो ये temporary desires and temporary distractions to achieve or to fulfill your long-term goals, you just start loving yourself, you start respecting yourself, and automatically, your self-esteem goes up. And that is why you will find a lot of men who really don't go back begging, to their ex-girlfriends, okay, take me back, and, I want to rekindle and I want to restart this relationship. Or you're not one of those guys then, who would start hooking up sexually, casually hookups with any woman that you come across, because there is self-control. If that leads me to any kind of shame, regret, or guilt, then I don't think it's worth it. And when you start your decision making based on these three factors, when you do things without, guilt, shame, or regret, you automatically start loving yourself. Your self-esteem just boosts up. I'm there to support you in your transformative journey, and of course in your relationship as well, and of course to understand women in a better way when it comes to approaching them, so that you are not the victim of any toxic behavior or any toxic relationship. So do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button for further notifications, and stay tuned. I will be coming up with some more exciting, interesting videos. Take care. Bye-bye.